This is the pre-assembly video for my friend Scott. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top actuating motor. It has been completely rebuilt, the motor rewound, one of the primary drive sprockets changed out, the right hand gearbox actuator, which is a 104-7266, and the 104-7265 left-hand unit. This is video number 2 out of a 3-video set. The first one showed the bench breakdown. This is the pre-assembly state where everything has been lubricated. In the first one I showed how the primary drive gear is built up in its dimensional integrity and then recut on the Oerlikon. And now we're about to do the final assembly. And this video will be followed by the fully assembled embodiment and the functional validation test under power. This is George in Florida. Today is Wednesday, November 20th. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978 for the Cadillacs. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, November 20th. Thank you very kindly.